We all have a favorite password we like to use to keep things simple. We add different numbers and special characters because we know we shouldn't be using the same one, but remembering what numbers or special characters we added, still such a pain. It's not even just about creating and remembering passwords to stay secure online, it's that we have better things to do. Meetings to prepare for, presentations to create, quarterly metrics to deliver. We just want to focus on doing our job. Wouldn't it be great to live in a world where passwords were a thing of the past? Axiad makes it simple to break up with passwords for good, across your enterprise, no matter where your employees are based. Axiad moves your business to a completely passwordless operation, managed in a single platform, Axiad Cloud. Employees love the simplicity. IT teams can return to their priorities, and hackers lose their easiest method of attack. Don't let the Stone Age passwords hold back your enterprise. Let's turn passwords into pastwords. Axiad. Visit Axiad.com today for a free 30-day trial or to book a demo. And break up with those pesky passwords from your enterprise for good.